When you look at what's happening in the world right now, can you think of one single country which is really not experiencing any disasters? Between now and 2040, $90 trillion will be invested globally in infrastructure. And I will say that the private sector's role is very important here because 85% of all that investment will be implemented by the private sector. Build where you should, don't build where you shouldn't. When you build to last with measures for resilience. And thirdly, ensure that as many people as possible have access to early warning. Disasters don't have to happen. Natural hazards will keep on attacking us. But if we know how to make a society resilient, a hazard doesn't necessarily have to become a disaster.